Hi, I'm Tyler Bellotti, and this is the fourth Wiki Jing video for the Introduction to Python class. In this video, we will be talking about bitwise conversion and bitwise operators. Now, bitwise works a little bit differently than your normal integers. When using bitwise functions, it works on the binary level. It works in bit form, usually by 8-digit points. It'll be something like that. That will equal a number. What we do in bitwise is we put in a number and it'll automatically convert it to its binary form. And then we do functions with those, and it gives us a brand newly generated number with a new bit function. Bit count. Anyway, let's look at something that we've already started a little bit on. Here we go. In this video, we'll do x is 240, and y is 145, and these are the binary conversions for each. And we'll have a little print to show us the binary conversion form. Let's try that right now. Let's see if they're the same. 0b, 110. 10010, 10010001. Now, was that right? Yeah, it was. Now we got to do a conversion function with them. So let's just do z equals x, and we will use and this time y. And then print. Let's see if this works. Oh, let's add something else. And then we get, it did work. We get the result of x and y is the new number 144, which is designated by this binary code, 10010000. Now, why is that? It's because the AND function only takes bits that are even, that match between the two. One here, that matches. Therefore, the first one was 1. And the only other one that matched was this one, which meant the other one was 1. And the rest is filled with zeros. Now, if we go back and we change it around just a little bit, and use the line symbol, this is OR. OR means it could be either or. So if we run it, it'll give us the bits that are in either of them. So it'll add in the extra ones, at least it should. So 1, 1, and 1, 1. Therefore, our new number generated is 211. So basically, it's just converting it into a sequence of these bits, and then it's just changing them around based on what order the ones are. Pretty simple. And that'll be it for today. Have a good one. See you next time.